now we've cut out our legs, and what we need to do is to actually assemble them with screw pockets. And so what our goal here is going to be is to take those 8 legs that we have and screw 2 of them each together, so we've got a more thick looking leg. It's going to give that illusion to a leg that's basically 4 inches by 4 inches thick. Okay, we're going to do that by putting screw pockets in our legs. I'm going to show you a here's a good look at that pocket. It's a 6-degree angle, gives us a lot of grab, more so than other machines, but other machines will work. You just might have to be a little bit tricky on the settings. This one's already set up, ready to go. So what I need to do here is to put screw pockets about, I'll say about 1 inch from each end, where I've got it blacked out right here, 1 inch from each end, and then 1 right in the center. That works out to be about every 6 inches, which will kind of be the case as we go through here. We're going to use the screw pocket machine on our legs and our rail material too. So here's what that looks like. Clamp it down. That's what it'll look like on our leg. You guys can see I missed my mark a little bit. Not the end of the world, okay? I'm just looking to be close, and I want to be at least 1 inch from the end. Okay, I'm gonna go do those other ones. This is gonna give me 1 leg assembly, because I'm gonna grab this leg right here. They're gonna butt up just like this, so you won't actually see those screw pockets. They'll be behind. And you see how that'll drive right in and hold that leg together. Let me show you one thing you want to avoid. Maybe you'll see it here. Oh, I made a mistake. Look at this. I got screw pockets on both sides of my legs. I don't want that. All right, so if that happens to you, you got to throw this leg out. And there is a little bit of leeway in this project, but if you start ruining more than 2 or 3 legs, you're going to have to use more sheet goods, and we don't want to have this kind of thing happen more than once. Okay. So now I've got my rail pieces, and I'm going to do basically the same thing I did with the leg pieces, except I'm going to do all 4 of my rails. I'm going to do both side rails and both of the top rails, the longer ones, okay? And when I'm thinking about laying these out, I want to keep them about 1 inch from the end, right? And then I'm going to put them about every 5 or 6 inches. And so I'll probably get 4 on these side rail pieces. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't need to mark them. I don't need to take a tape measure and spend a million years doing this. I'm just going to mark them up by eye and go about every 5 or 6 inches on the short ones and the long ones.